Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Cetaphil Deep Cleansing Bar, which can be used on your face and body. And it's also a great facial cleanser which can be used daily in the morning and evening. If you are getting a new one, it also comes in a plastic packaging, but I have already used one. And I'm also going to show you a little demonstration on how you can use it as your facial cleanser. It's also suitable for all skin types, and it also will deeply cleanse and also remove any dirt, oil and other impurities without drying the skin. And it's also not irritating the skin, and it also won't clog the pores. Now you're going to use this one with water so that it also can foam a bit, and then gently also use it all over your face and body. So, and now that you know the basics, let me show you how you can use it as a facial cleanser. So before you're going to use the cleansing bar, it's important that you're going to wet your skin at first. Then take the cleansing bar, use a bit of water with it, and then gently also rub it between your hands. Then use it between your hands and gently also massage it into the skin and use circular motions. So, and after you're done with massaging it into the skin, you're going to remove it with water, so rinse it with water. But if you want to use a wet cloth in between to also remove the cleanser, then you can do so. Whatever you prefer and works the best for you. And now take a towel and pat your skin dry. Now using the Cetaphil cleansing bar as your facial cleanser is such a great choice, and this is also by far one of the products from Cetaphil that I truly love, as it also doesn't irritate my skin and it just gives me amazing results. It keeps my skin really clean and also clear, and this is also one of the Cetaphil products that I definitely would recommend if you're looking for a good facial cleanser. And just because this is a bar of soap doesn't mean that it's bad. I know that using a bar of soap on YouTube is very controversial, but if you're using a hydrating bar of soap that does not harm your skin, you're fine to do so, because it's not like there's no much difference between a liquid cleanser or having it in a solid bar of soap form. As long as it also feels gentle on the skin, doesn't dry out your skin or does not irritate your skin, you're also good to use it. So this is also definitely one cleanser that I can highly recommend. And yeah, I do also hope that you enjoyed this little demonstration, and if you did so, don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!